Who are you when no one is watching? Are you the guy who's up before everybody else? Are you out at midnight, 1 a.m., grinding, putting in miles? Because it's what we do when no one is watching that'll separate the best from the rest. If the hunt is the hardest thing you've done, chances are you're going to fail. My training is far more difficult than my hunts. For me, it's like, hey, whatever happens, happens. I'm ready. I know what my body can do. I know mentally I've forged an edge. I know I'm not going to fail. I know I'm going to be at my best because the training has enabled that. I look at training as the ultimate test ground to see what I'm capable of, so when I get on the hunt, it's just a matter of dotting the I's and crossing the T's. I've done the work, and there's no doubt when given an opportunity, I'm going to be successful.